So hey guys, it's Ree. It's been so long since I freaking filmed a video, but I was having like a creator's block. I didn't want to keep posting fucking makeup videos, so I was like, today's Saturday, today's my cheat day, why not do a mukbang or mukbang or whatever. I think I'm gonna do a story time. I don't really want to do a story time on this situation, but I think I'm gonna do a story time on my first fight, which was freshman year of high school with my best friend. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick. Of course, I don't have a fridge or a microwave in my room like a dummy, so sadly when this food's not finished, it's gonna go in the garbage. So I'm gonna try my best, but I'll probably get full dumb quick. So of course, I went to Pizza Hut. I got a pan pizza. That's the only pizza I eat. Pan pizza from Domino's, pan pizza from Pizza Hut. Period. Oh, I had the fucking sausage on it. So even though I'm lactose intolerant, I only got cheese, so I'm not that go, so it doesn't affect me too much. Anyways, I'm lactose intolerant as fuck, but I do have medication for it. So I'm gonna eat this pizza. It looks so good. It looks like a pan pizza from Domino's. Then I got this mini Cinnabon rolls. I ate one. They're pretty disgusting because it's cream cheese frosting, and I don't like cream cheese frosting at all. Then I got these chicken wing juniors, boneless chicken wing juniors. They're not really juniors, but they're really small. I've never seen them like this before. I don't know what type of chicken they cut, but these are the boneless wings. I got them in boneless medium. Yeah, boneless medium. I usually don't eat, what's it called, boneless wings. I usually eat like bone-in wings, but this was part of their like $5 deal, so I got the pizza for $5. This for $5, this for $5, plus tax. I only paid $17. So I think I'm gonna start off my story time. I don't know if I'm supposed to like eat and talk, because I usually don't do that, but I'm just gonna grab a slice of pizza because this shit is looking mighty good. Okay, Pizza Hut. So I think I'm gonna start off my story with, I started off with how I met the girl. I used to play basketball, so she played basketball as well, so she was basically like my teammate. And then from like being teammates in middle school to high school, we became like close friends. So you know, high school, people are trying to find each other. You stay close to the people you already know. So that was who I already knew. We're pretty close, but she had hoe tendencies. And by hoe tendencies, I mean extreme hoe tendencies. And I don't know, I know this was the future of after the fight. Like, she got caught in the hallway. You know, everybody has that one girl who gets caught in the, not the hallway, in the staircase. You know, people get recorded. That she was that type of girl, so good as hell. So she was one of those hoes, but I was still friends with her, I guess just for the entertainment. She didn't really, looking back at it, she didn't really benefit me. I think I benefited her because I tried to stop her from doing those things, but she was gonna do what she wanted at the end of the day. So one day, Kia got recorded by somebody, or she got caught doing something and somebody was spreading around the rumor around school, or she got caught, I think she got recorded, and we were still friends. So I was like, oh shit, like, did you actually do this? And she's like, yeah girl, like, she was so happy. She's like, let me not try and mock her, I sound dumb as shit, but she's like, yeah, like, oh my god, like, she was so happy. She's like one of those like oblivious, she knows what she's doing but she doesn't care, and it's funny to her, whatever. So she didn't really care that much, but I was like, you're OD, like, we just came to high school, like, why are you trying to show off or prove yourself to somebody and like whatever. So her mindset was like a baby hoe, like, think smarter at least, come on. So telling her, I was like, I can't be friends with you like that, like, that's bad for me because it's gonna look like basically like I'm a hoe too. Because not in college, in high school, if you are a hoe and you have friends, it's like automatically an assumption that you're a hoe with your friends, because you're basically allowing it and you're allowing those people to be friends with you. So I was like, I mean, looking back at it, I don't know if that was wrong, but I was like, I can't be friends with you if you're gonna think this shit is okay. Like, she felt like she was a star. Like, she felt like Kim Kardashian, basically. She just I was so happy thinking that she was popular, but everybody was talking shit about her. So I was like, it's not even that I can't be friends with you, that you're a host. It's like you're not making smart decisions, and I don't want to be friends with that. So I think this, when she had got caught, it ended up getting to my basketball coach. The basketball coach ended up talking to her about it, and then she basically had no choice but to quit the team. So she ended up quitting the team, and since she quitted the team, let me get some wings. What the fuck? Where did all the sauce go? Since she ended up quitting, to move back, because I just noticed that, oh my god, no. I'm on my bed sheets, bitch. Damn. I had just noticed that I wasn't really like showing my food. So yeah, so she had quit the team. Her mom knew about it and stuff. Damn, I really got fucking sauce on my bed. So she ended up like quitting the team, and that basically like separated us, because we used to hang out every day when we had practice. I think we had practice like every day and stuff. So we ended up like separating basically. And so I think like a couple weeks later, she got caught doing something else again. So I started talking shit about her. And so people knowing that, not really talking shit, but I guess talking shit. So now people knowing that we weren't friends and stuff, that we stopped talking. What kind of jigsaw ass fucking ranch is this? Why can't I open it? Ew. So of course, people knowing that we weren't friends anymore, they were like gassing the situation. So if I was to talk shit about her, they would go back and tell her. This is pasta. And when she talks shit about me, people were gonna tell me. I have a twin sister. So that just went back and forth, back and forth. We had class together, I forgot to say that. So it got to a point where we're just talking shit about each other. We weren't even friends, trying to fix our relationship. We were just being petty. So we get to class, right? And we're being petty. We get to class, and my teacher, my fine ass teacher, he was like, we're gonna watch a movie today. I said, yeah. So he turned off the lights, closed the door. When he turned off the lights, she was like in this corner. I was in the back with my friends, like here. So she was up here, I was over here. But she was facing this way, I was facing this way. The movie screen was right here. So when the lights turned off, he was trying to explain like why we're watching the movie and what's gonna happen, and she was talking. So me having feelings for my fine ass teacher, I was like, can you stop, like, well, me being petty too. I was like, can you stop talking over him like he's trying to speak? Then she goes, I don't know who the fuck she thinks she's talking to. And I was like, I'm literally like talking to you, like, you know I'm talking to you, stop talking. And even everybody was like, can you just shut the hell up? Because she's one of those girls that just like, you just keep talking, like, shut up. Not everything is funny, you're not funny. It's very simple. I'm not good. So she started talking crazy, I started talking crazy. My friend, he was gassing me up, like, oh, you're not about to do shit, whatever. So I was like, I think I'm actually about to do shit. I think I'm actually about that life. I texted my sister, my twin sister. I was like, I'm in room blah 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 in this building. I'm about to fight this girl, and tell mom I'm sorry, because like getting suspended was like really bad. And I was like, tell mom I'm sorry, but I have to do this. She's pissing me off. So I texted my sister where I was and stuff. So things started, like, during the movie, things got low. No, things like the movie was going on, but we were talking shit like the whole movie. So she had called me. She's like, shut up, you black. She called me, what did she call me? Something black, a dark, or whatever. I said, you're literally a hoe. Like, you're speaking to me, you have nothing to lose. Like, there's nothing I can say more than that. By me just simply calling her a hoe, she got so upset. I don't know if it's because we were friends, because that's very little compared to what she called me, I guess. But she had called me a hoe. What did she call me, like a black beast? Mind you, she was like 3 times bigger than me, maybe 2.5 times bigger than me. But she was like, I'm 5'9", so she was probably like 5'7", and she was like at least 2 times bigger than me. So I didn't know who she was calling a black goat, because we were both African American and she was even bigger than me. But okay, so I called her a hoe. She got really upset. Let me try and eat something because this is how I get distracted. But she got really upset and she was like, meet me in the middle of the class or whatever. I was like, bet. So the teacher's not even aware that this is going on because he's literally watching the movie. She gets up and walks in the middle of the class. Everybody knew we were talking shit. So when she got up, everybody was like, already knew what was happening. So she got up, walked in the middle of the class. I got up and walked in the middle of the class. Before I even set my foot, she slapped the fuck out of me. And in that moment, I was like, wow, I didn't really like want to fight, but like this is what it's about to be. I never got in a fight before, but I'm a pretty big, like, strong girl. I was playing basketball for like what, like 5 years by then. I was in and out the gym. I was like already, it's not like I was weak. So she slapped the fuck out of me and I literally went back like in Matrix. You know how he went slow motion, came right around. Like it took me a couple seconds to be like, wow, she really just smacked the shit out of me. So everything was like in slow motion. Everybody was like, did this really just happen? And I was like, okay. So as soon as I got back from slow motioning in my circle, I punched the shit out of her. I think I punched her. I only hit her twice. I think I punched her and I slapped her, or I punched her and I punched her. Right now, I definitely know I punched her the first time, and as soon as I punched her, nose was leaking, and she had like turned to the side. So by that time that happened, the fight was over. My teacher was like mad slow and like breaking it up. He broke it up after she had stormed out the room like, I fucking hate this bitch. Whatever. She threw a desk with her. Let me not. She threw a desk whenever, walked out. And yeah, so that was like a quick ass fight, but we ended up getting called to the office. And then my principal that I was really cool with, he was like, what happened? I was like, I honestly don't know what happened. Like all she did was slap me. I didn't even touch her. He's like, how's her I think he said her eye, how's her nose busted and her eyes shut? I was like, maybe she hit herself. And people do that. And he was like, yeah, okay, so you're getting suspended? I was like, damn. So I got suspended for 3 days, I believe, and she got suspended for like 5 or 6 because she hit me first. So in between the time we got suspended, I'm saying we because my sister was about to come in the story. In between the time that me and that whore got suspended, a new girl had came to our school. And as soon as we came back, the new girl was with the girl I fought. They didn't know each other, but they like automatically clicked. But I could see like they were like the same people. She was a hoe from her old school. She had like a whole track record, whatever. So that happened. And when I was in the lunchroom, after we literally just got back from being suspended, I was in the lunchroom and the girl, I'm gonna call her, what do I call her? Elmo. Because she calls herself Elmo, so whatever. I'll call you Elmo too. So Elmo was like, don't worry, blah, blah, blah. When she comes back, I'm gonna spit in her food. And mind you, we had school lunch. I never really ate during school lunch. Like school lunch was not my shit. So the smallest thing that I could think of to finish my lunch a little bit quicker, I need my water. To finish my lunch a little bit quicker was a chicken patty. Because the chicken patty only had the bread and the chicken. So it was literally very simple. If I wanted mayo and lettuce, I would have added it. But I was like, if she wants to spit on me when I finish my food, I'm gonna eat the quickest shit and let her come and spit on me, right? Everybody was gasping it, whatever. Mind you, I was with my best friend. Her name is Monkey. And my sister was in the lunch before me. I was in like a C lunch. She was in B lunch, which is like more towards like lunchtime. Mine was later, like an hour before we ended school. So I was with my friend Monkey. She's like, blah, blah, she's gonna spit on you. I was like, I know, let me just go get the food. So I literally went to the garbage like a little bit by them. I ate my chicken patty and dumped it in the garbage right in front of them. So they know that my food was done. So I was like, if she's really gonna spit on me when my food's done, let her come spit on me. So I finished my food, mad quick, threw it in the garbage, and waited. So when that had happened, my sister comes in out of oh wait, I think I texted my sister like, Elmo said she's gonna spit on me. As soon as I finished my food, my sister came and I was like, oh my god, like, like something's about to happen. So when my sister came in, she's like, oh, she said she's gonna spit on you. I was like, yeah, whatever, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna let her come to me first. If she's really about that, she doesn't even know who I am. So my sister was like, my friend, there's another side of the lunchroom. She wants to go get food at the other side. So we walked to the other side. My sister was behind me, my friend was in front of me, and my sister like deviates, I don't know if that's a big word, but my sister like leaves where we were and walks over to the girls' table, and within like 3 seconds I hear everybody say, oh shit, oh shit, oh. Everybody got up. I turned around and my sister was fighting the girls. Like, I told my sister, don't go to that table, let her come to me first so you don't get suspended and I don't get suspended again. But she did her own thing. Me and my friend turned around and like, what the fuck? They were fighting each other, and my sister ended up getting suspended for 10 days. She got it way worse than I did, because at least the girl hit me first. I hit my sister. I think my sister hit the girl first, and the girl got suspended for 10 days as well. I think she ended up leaving the school like, what, a couple months later, like before the school year ended. But yeah, ever since that day, I did not talk to the girl. I was petty, but like it was nothing like we're gonna fight again type petty stuff. But she finally, I guess, we all knew she was gonna have a baby. She ended up having a baby. It's not bad, whatever, but she ended up having a baby. I saw like a couple months ago, and she's just living her best life. She's still a whore, so I can see it. She's those type of girls that leave it. They're very proud to leave it on their Facebook page, their Twitter page, Instagram, whatever. But to this day, I'll never talk to her again. The Elmo girl tried to be friends with me. I was like, you're fake as fuck. She's friends with my friend though. Also fake as fuck, but not my friend, the girl. But ever since that happened, that's like my first fight. I got suspended a few more times after that, not for fighting though, and a few more times before that. Did I get suspended? I did get suspended before that. This wasn't my first suspension, but yeah, so that's basically the end of that story. So yeah. Where am I? That was my sister's first suspension, I believe, too, so sadly. But besides that, we don't keep in contact with each other. That happened so long ago. Fuck them. If I see them on the street, if I see them anywhere, I really wouldn't care. I wouldn't try and be petty. So I'm really over that. I beat her ass. My sister beat her friend's ass, so there's nothing for me to do. So this food is not as good as I thought it would be. I don't know what I'm about to do with this, but that's the end of my story time. So that's the end of my story time. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you guys have like a first fight story, or first time you got suspended, or you had some hating whores hating on you. But I think that's it. Let me know what you guys want to see down below in the video. I want to do like a Q&A, so that would be really cool, but I don't think a lot of people watch me for me to have enough questions. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This was low-key nasty. I'm gonna still eat it though.